Alright, let's keep it going. 910. 0519. After we get this case done, we'll go back and do, oddly enough, in the Prism, out of all the team tandems, either one of the drivers didn't sell or we actually had duplicates. So we only have one team tandem to randomize. So we'll do the hit recap, randomization, free giveaway for Prism. Wrap that all up. That'll be after the select break uploads. And then the last video of the night will be the select hit recap, randomization, free giveaway. Alright, let's see what we can get in 9. Brad K. Blue, number 84. Bobby Labonte. Kevin Harvick Silver. Daniel Hemrick 101 to 199. Blue Fire Suit. Kevin Harvick 299. Denny Hamlin Speed Merchant. Blake Cook Silver. Jimmy Johnson Dale Jr. 116 of 199. Some lettering there on the Dale Jr. Silver Dale Jr. Kurt Busch. Last chunk of 9 here. Silver is Brad K. And our autograph is Kerry Earnhardt. Kerry Earnhardt Select Signature. Not serialed. Red to 99. Kyle Larson. 23. 99. Speed Merchant. Chase. Silver, Rowdy. Ryan Newman, 182 of 199. Blue, Ryan Newman. 299, Logano, the King. Richard Petty, Select Stars. Denny Hamlin, Silver. Ryan Newman, UCP. Chase Elliott, Blue. 32 of 199. Kyle Busch, Speed Merchant. William Byron, Silver Rookie. Corey LaJoy, 13 of 50. Autograph Fire Suit, White Prism. Corey LaJoy. Alright, that was what? Oops, I put that William there. Oops, there. Alright, so let's get into 10, which will be 0640. Kind of hoping we get a 101 out of this case. Guess we still got time. Got this box and 2 more 11 and 12 left. I want to thank everybody for jumping in. Much appreciated. I'll have everything shipped out. I'll be packaging tonight and tomorrow. I'll have everything out first thing Monday morning. Everybody will have their tracking uploaded. If you're interested in hopping in the breaks, we have 5 of them up now. Select, Absolute, Victory Lane, Prism, and the 9-box mixer, which does have a box of Panini Prime, which you see right there in the background. The Panini Prime is a really nice product. Trevor Bain, $2.99. Brad K. Chris Buescher, Silver. Cole Custer, first hit, 16 of 99. Select Swatch Red with a fire suit. Kyle Busch, Blue, 136. Speed Merchants, Boyer. Got a Kurt Busch, Silver. Dale Jr., Sheet Metal. Ryan Newman, Silver. Darrell Waltrip, Select Star. Those were base. Last chunk of 10. Almirola. Oh, we're going to have a signature paint scheme. But of who? Paul Menard. Almirola, Silver. Blue signature paint scheme. 24 of 50. Paul Menard. Ryan Blaney. $2.99. Speed Merchant, Trevor Bain. Silver, Kevin Harvick. 92 of 199, Jeffrey Earnhardt. Almendinger, Red. 52 of 99. Select Stars is Mark Martin. Ty Dillon, Silver. Chase Elliott, UCP. 3 base. Gralla, Rookie, $2.99. Speed Merchants, Dale Jr. 3 base. And our last hit, Austin Dillon, Silver, and Gray Galding. Dual Fire Suit autograph. Gray Galding. William Byron, Rookie. Alright, damn, I did that one in under 10 minutes. That might be the first time ever. Be right back with 11 and 12.